Hello everyone, welcome to the 100 Day Spanish Challenge by Touri. I'm Mark, and welcome to day 18 of the challenge. If you haven't subscribed yet, you can find the link down below to join the challenge and follow along. Now I'm going to start by saying the word in Spanish at a normal pace, the masculine and feminine form, and then I'll break it down into syllables, followed by the English translation and a couple of example sentences. Let's get started. Number 171. Número 171. Ganar. Gah-nahr. Ganar. To win or to earn. I won the lottery twice by playing the same set of numbers. Gané la lotería 2 veces jugando con los mismos números. Number 172. Número 172. Garaje. Gah-rah-hay. Garaje. Garage. It's free to park in the parking garage on Sunday. Es gratis estacionarse en el garaje los domingos. Number 173. Número 173. Gastar. Gahs-tar. Gastar. To spend or to waste. I don't like to waste my time pointlessly. No me gusta gastar mi tiempo inútilmente. Number 174. Número 174. Gastos. Gahs-tohs. Gastos. Expenses. Gasoline is my biggest expense. La gasolina es mi mayor gasto. Number 175. Número 175. Gato. Gah-toh. Gato. I have a dog and also a cat. Tengo un perro y también un gato. Number 176. Número 176. Gemelo. Gemela. Ge-me-lo. Gemelo. Twin. The twins came to visit from San Jose. Los gemelos llegaron de visita de San Jose. Number 177. Número 177. Género. Ge-ne-ro. Género. Gender. We don't care about gender nowadays. Everybody is equal. En estos tiempos no nos interesa el género. Todos somos iguales. Number 178. Número 178. Gente. 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 People. For some reason, he enjoys playing practical jokes on people. Por alguna razón, le gusta gastar bromas pesadas a la gente. Number 179. Número 179. Geografía. Ge-o-gra-fi-a. Geografía. Geography. We're learning about bodies of water in our geography class. Estamos estudiando los cuerpos de agua en la clase de geografía. Number 180. Número 180. gerente, gerente, gerente. Manager. Olivia is the purchasing manager. Olivia es la gerente de compras. The best way to learn this material is through repetition, memorization, and conversation. If you'd like to practice your newly learned vocabulary, Touri offers live, fun, and immersive one-on-one online language lessons with native instructors at nearly any time of the day. Check out Touri.co, or you can follow the link down below. Until next time, adios.